Hi Ian, it's Grandma. I'm going to take a video today for you because there's really big trucks outside of our house and they're digging sand into a dump truck. And I just wanted to say hi. Hi Ian. Hi Caitlin. Hi Samantha. Hi mommies. Just wanted to say hi before I went outside and showed you what was out there. So are you ready? Ian, are you ready? Yes, we're gonna go outside. Okay, here we go. We're gonna turn the camera around. Okay, here we go. There, can you see? There's a big crane. I'm gonna put my elbows on the railing here so it's the big crane and he's digging. Look at the sand. He's putting the sand into the dump truck. Isn't that cool? See the big crane with a big bucket? And at the end of the bucket, there's little sort of like fingers that help dig that sand. When you come to Grandma's at Christmas, you'll be able to dig some sand too at the beach. Look at that. See how the crane turns? There's that big arm and it goes down and it digs into the sand and then it brings it up and dumps it into the dump truck just behind there. It's crazy, right? So when you come to see Grandma at Christmas, there's going to be like a big lake back here almost that you're going to be able to look at. Because they're digging out the ground and then they're going to put water in to make a lake, almost like a pool, except we won't be able to swim in it. Now the dump truck is going to take off. There he goes. Woohoo! Look at him go. It's a dump truck and he's going to dump that somewhere. See the sand in the back of the truck? See the sand? There he goes. They made a little road here for these big trucks to be on. There he goes. Let's see if I think he's going to dump it somewhere further away. Here comes another big truck. What's he gonna do? See this other? There he is, this other big truck coming. It's a big one too. Wish you were right here to see all these big trucks, Ian. Alright, now let's look back here at the crane. What's he up to? I got a little closer in this time so you could see him a little closer up. See those big treads that he goes on? And there's that big crane, or the big bucket that's going in the claw. I don't know what that's called. Maybe your mommies know what that's called. You could ask them at the end of that. It's bringing that in. See it digging into the ground. Oh, and now the dump truck's back again for another load. This is another dump truck, I guess, coming in. And oh, there's a little caterpillar down there. You can't see it for the tree. Let's go in a bit closer. The dump truck. There's sand getting dumped in the truck. There's digging. Into the dump truck and dumping it in there, and then the dump truck's going to take that sand away. And this is right behind Grandma and Grandpa's house in Texas. Here's that little caterpillar coming in. Oh, he's backing up. He's helping collect. He's over here behind that tree. There he is.